Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, required raid completion, and enough raid currency. Once done, open the raid tab and tap Shop. You will see sections for tokens, shards, and limited items. Make sure to check timers, daily purchase caps, and any VIP discounts. These change value and priority. You should prioritize one path. Spend on essential stat shards or shards for key souls. Now, prepare your budget and shortlist items before making the first purchases. Next, focus on selection strategy and execution. First, filter the shop to show limited or discounted items so you avoid impulse buys, then sort by rarity and utility. Choose core soul fragments and essential upgrade materials before spending leftover tokens on cosmetics or minor boosts. Once you commit, use single purchases to verify outcomes. Bulk buy only when sure. Also check exchange ratios for shards. You may convert duplicates into higher value. Finally, verify every purchase immediately. Open inventory, check soul fragments, and confirm materials applied. If you mistakenly bought the wrong item, act quickly. Some events allow short refund windows or exchanges, otherwise contact support with screenshots. Also keep an eye on weekly and daily purchase caps so you don't waste currency late in the cycle. If items fail to appear, restart the client, sync account, and then contact support. One troubleshooting tip: clear cache and relog before filing a ticket.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.